Have you ever looked in the mirror first thing in the morning and wondered why your eyes look tired, swollen, or older than you actually feel? What if I told you that some of that puffiness might not be permanent at all? In fact, one side of your face could start looking fresher within the next couple of minutes. Before you spend money on expensive eye creams, cooling patches, concealers, or cosmetic treatments, let's try something simple that uses your body's own natural drainage system. Here's something most people don't know. Not all under-eye puffiness is caused by aging. In many cases, it's caused by fluid retention. During the night, fluid can collect around the delicate tissues beneath your eyes. Since the skin in this area is extremely thin, even a small amount of extra fluid can make a huge difference in how tired or aged you appear. This is where your lymphatic system comes in. Think of your lymphatic system as your body's cleanup and drainage network. When circulation slows down, fluid can temporarily build up in certain areas, especially around the eyes. Factors like salty meals, poor sleep, allergies, sinus congestion, stress, alcohol, inflammation, and even sleeping position can make morning puffiness much worse. Let's do a quick exercise. Choose one side of your face. Using 2 fingers, place them gently in the soft area just above your collarbone on that same side. Apply very light pressure and slowly press and release about 20 times. Don't massage deeply. Lymphatic vessels sit just beneath the skin, so gentle pressure works best. Next, move your fingers to the area just in front of your ear. Perform the same light pumping motion for about 20 repetitions. Then move slightly below the ear near the jawline and repeat. Now comes the important part. Place one finger beneath the inner corner of your eye. Staying on the bony ridge under the eye, slowly glide outward toward the temple. Once you reach the temple, continue the motion down in front of the ear, along the jawline, and down the side of the neck toward the collarbone. Move slowly and gently. Repeat this pathway 7 to 8 times. As you do it, take slow, deep breaths. Deep breathing naturally encourages lymphatic movement throughout the body. Now, pause. Look in a mirror. Compare both sides of your face. Does one side feel lighter, less swollen, more open around the eye? Many people notice a visible difference almost immediately. Now, let's be realistic. If your under-eye bags are primarily caused by aging, loose skin, or fat pad changes, this technique won't make them disappear instantly. But if trapped fluid is contributing to the puffiness, you may see noticeable improvement very quickly. That's what makes this technique so interesting. It's free, it's natural, and it helps you work with your body's own systems instead of relying entirely on products. Your body already has a drainage network designed to move excess fluid. Sometimes it simply needs a little encouragement. Try this technique a few times throughout the day, especially in the morning after waking up. Over time, many people report less puffiness, a fresher appearance, and a more awake-looking face. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who wakes up with tired-looking eyes, and let me know your experience in the comments. And remember, small daily habits often create the biggest visible changes.